All right, good morning everybody. Okay, so today's episode is about changing the starter on this force motor. Not too happy that this happened, but I'm glad that it happened here in the parking spot than in the water. All right, so to start it off, found a replacement starter motor for the force motor on Amazon. I will leave a link down in the description below. But other than for that, let's go ahead and start on this thing. I've never changed a starter, period, so this is going to be my first time changing a starter, let alone changing a starter on a outboard motor. But it looks pretty simple. I'm going to disconnect the battery. That will kill it, and to make sure, disconnect it. Second, start dismantling it. So it looks like there's two bolts up here. It goes into that bracket. Positive right here. And I think that's it. All right, let's get to it. All right, so 7/16 for the disconnecting the battery. Looks like this terminal post isn't the greatest. Oh wow, this is really bad. That is disconnected. Looks like I'm gonna have to use a wrench on that one. Brand new shiny tools. All right. Now we just gotta wiggle around with the wires, just try to get in and around. There you go. Oh, that's actually really simple. Alright, so the new starter is from Amazon. Now, I think it's by DB Electric. I can't remember. I will correct myself if I am wrong. I'll put a flash mark right now. Okay, so keeping to the budget build for this boat, it was 96 Canadian dollars. And I've been getting some reviews. It's a hit and miss review. It's like 50 good, 50 bad. Hopefully that doesn't bite myself in the butt with this one. But we'll give it a shot anyways. All right. Oh, look at that, it's sealed. Nice. All right, so I'm just gonna count the teeth here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. It looks exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, looks good. All right, so the other one had the positive terminal going off to the side. This one's underneath. So I think I'm gonna do attach the positive terminal right now. Since it's out, I think it might be easier. Or is it better like this? I think it's better like that. Okay. We'll give it a try. So when you're doing this, be absolutely careful so you don't break the wire, especially when you're putting it into the spot here. You know what, I'll leave it loose. Okay. Next, let's push the wires out of the way. Get the new piece inside. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now you can buy the new nylon locks, but I'm just going to reuse. Maybe I should get some new ones. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, remember, I'm doing this because I know that the batteries are disconnected. Now if you stick your finger in here and by accident it starts, you will crush and lose a finger. So make sure that everything is disconnected. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this like this is, let me show you in a second. I am checking to see if all the teeth line up and it's not going to be grinding. So it looks good. Nice and secure. Do an extra tight. Okay, you don't want to over tighten it or else you'll strip it. Okay, that's good. All right, so essentially that should be it. So let's go ahead and hook the batteries up and see if it starts. All right, it works. All right, so not bad for my first time. I am super happy. Yeah, I know the boat didn't start, but that's okay. All I was worried is about that this motor made sure that it was working. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It wasn't too hard. If I'm gonna have to rate this job, seriously, like a 2. Really, a 2 out of 10. Super simple. In other words, if I can do it, you can do it. So keep your money in your pockets, and until the next time, we'll see you out there.